This video is for everybody who thinks that they have found a solution, but still they find themselves questioning that if I found the solution, then why I faced this situation again, why I felt the same emotions again if I have found the solution to my problems. So this is for all those who already are doing mental churning for their experiences, for their feelings, but they reach at a point where they question that if I found a solution, then why I faced this situation again. That's why there is a phrase that the universe keep giving you the same lessons again and again until you learn it completely. So I realized that yes, until we learn it to the purest of its form, the things gets repeated, keeps until we learn the lesson completely, and with the way the universe, that is the way the universe wants to teach us, that is the way the universe wants us to learn it, that is the purest form, not the manipulated ones, not the deceived ones, not the deceived lessons, not the manipulated lessons, but the purest form of lessons, learnings. Till that time, the universe keeps repeating the situations, the happenings with us. I really felt it. That's why I'm saying that at one situation, I felt that, oh, I got the solution of it. Now I'm mastered. Now I'm really dealing with it nicely, and this time I am not getting hurt. I'm dealing with it. I'm not sailing with it. I'm not flowing with it. But then came a situation where it was my test and I failed. And I came to the conclusion zero that why it's happening with me. Then, I have one friend with whom I talk, these kind of talks, spiritual talks. After talking with her, I realized, yes, what I was thinking, I was actually not doing it. I was ignoring it yet. That's why I was able to sustain. But when the real situation came, it squeezed me because I was ignoring. I was not putting the right lesson over there. So the lesson for me was that time expectation. I had to zero my expectation and still do my best. So then I realized, yes, here I was wrong. If my expectation would have been zero, then I would have dealt very nicely. So the conclusion of this video, I want to, conclude it that if you're failing at something, then you keep churning, or talk with some of your like-minded heads that why it happened. Can you answer it? Ask your friends who are like you, spiritual, or who believes in mental churning. So then you definitely get answer. What happens is it is like every time you can't think that way because of your planetary position. So other people help us, because of their planetary positions. So we can take other person's opinions and brains and idea and feel, yeah, there I was wrong. Maybe if I will put this thought over that problem, I will come out. But the last decision is yours. But you can talk with each other openly, like we are talking here. So by talking with each other openly, spiritually, intellectually, we get answers. We get answers of our daily life. We don't need to really ask directly our problems if we feel any hesitation, but indirectly we can ask. And we should all have such friends with whom we can open up our real life and expect them to see it as just a problem, not as something mean. So hope my message was conveyed, and I tried to convey it in English because I want everybody should get the message. तो मैं सेम को हिंदी में बता देती हूँ आपको कि जो ईश्वर है वो हमको बार बार कुछ सिखाना चाहता है, इसलिए हमें बार बार सेम घटनाएं हमारे जीवन में दोबारा होती है, जबकि हमें कई बार लगता है यार मैंने तो विजय प्राप्त कर ली थी, मैं तो सीख गया था डील करना, पर फिर से क्यों मेरे साथ ये हुआ। वो इसीलिए क्योंकि जो हमारा लेसन था ना वो प्योर फॉर्म में लर्न नहीं किया था हमने, कुछ डिसीव्ड फॉर्म में लर्न किया था, कुछ गलत सीखा था, इसलिए वो दोबारा हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमने उसे सही जो उसका सत्य रूप है उस रूप में वो नहीं सीखा था, तो इसलिए वो दोबारा होता है। तो अगर आप कहीं फंसे हैं तो उसके लिए आप जब किसी से डिस्कस करेंगे कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, आप बताएंगे कि हाउ कुड आई हैव बेस्ट डेल्ट विद इट, तो आपको सच में रास्ता मिलता है कि हाँ मैं ऐसे करता तो सही रहता, तो आपके माइंड में चेंजेस आते हैं। कई बार हम खुद से अपने आप को वो चीज़ नहीं बता पाते हैं, तो जब हम डिस्कस करते हैं तो उस प्रोसेस में दूसरे की बुद्धि से हमें काफ़ी चीज़ें पता लग जाती है। तो दैट्स वाई सोशल ग्रुपिंग का ये फ़ायदा आप उठाएं रादर देन गॉसिपिंग, है ना। और सोशलाइजिंग का दूसरा कि ये सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों के लिए वीडियो है जो मेंटल जर्निंग करते हैं, जो स्पिरिचुअल है, जो ईश्वर को मानते हैं, ये मानते हैं कि उनसे बड़ा है। एवरीथिंग इज़ everything is not logic, few things has to be understood by mental journey। तो ये वीडियो उन सभी के लिए। धन्यवाद।